Story time. Back in 1995, researchers Masaki Kuruso and Kaori Kashimura of the Hitachi Design Center studied ATMs. And they found out that even if an ATM was not that easy to use, people would consider that it was a better ATM simply because it looked nicer. So to the aesthetic usability effect of the UX formula, where we talk about tips, tricks, and absolutely everything else you need to know to become a master in UX design. I once spent 3 days stressing over how bad my UI design was, and I was completely shattered by imposter syndrome. So finally giving up, I sent the UI to the client and I asked for feedback. And guess what they said? Are you ready for this? The color scheme was good. And my response to this is, seriously? The color scheme was good. Is that all you can focus on? And sometimes that is the case. According to the aesthetic usability effect, users will think a design is better just because it looks good. Users as a whole think designs work better if they look good. Even if they don't perform better or function more efficiently, the visual appearance tricks our brains into thinking they do. That just burst right here, but I'm not going to remove this video. I'm going to get a new one and I'm going to start again. Here's the thing. According to the aesthetic usability effect, users think a design performs better just because it looks better. And even if in practicality the design is not better, the visual appearance tricks our brains into thinking this is the better design. So what does that mean for your UI? Let's break it down. Attractive designs can hide usability flaws. If your design is attractive enough, it can save you, it can be the thing that just saves you during testing. And here's why it works. People are wired to react positively to things that look nice, even if they don't function better. Which leads them to believe if a thing looks better, it will automatically function better. So the hidden rule of thumb is, if a thing looks better, people are going to think it functions better as well. Which means both businesses and UI designers need to invest heavily in aesthetics. Because if a design is visually appealing, many practical errors, many practical flaws which happen on the UX part get ignored automatically. When a design is visually appealing, it makes your site feel more organized, professional, and reliable. So users will give your UI a try even if there are a couple of hiccups, and they'll be more forgiving of minor issues. So remember to make your designs look good and users will automatically think it functions better, give it a better chance in terms of testing, and will be more forgiving of your errors as a UI UX designer. This is such a great hack and is the most practical thing ever. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.